Good morning. Today is Sunday, April 2nd, 2023. We're going to unbox a couple of guitars today that we got yesterday that we're going to resell. So first, let's take a look at this one. I love this tweed case. Look at this case. This is a 1995 Fender American Standard. Beautiful guitar. Brown Sunburst it's called. 1995, and it looks easily 20 years newer than that. This is almost perfect condition. It has one little ding here. Plays maple neck, one piece maple neck, plays incredibly. So that's, we'll plug it in. Maybe we'll plug it in here in a second. But you can see the headstock there. Nothing fancy, standard electronics. Well, actually, this is supposed to be a TBX circuit. So I can feel a click. I can feel a click right in there. So that's super, super cool. So we're going to sell this one. Put that back in. Let me move that one out of the way. The other one we have, this one, super, super nice. If I can not drop it on the floor. This is 2017 Fender American, again, both American made guitars. American Elite. So this one has HSS, humbucker, single coil, single coil. These are the Generation 4 noiseless pickups. And these sound much better than I thought they were going to sound. I really like these. Humbucker sounds great. Has this extra button here. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that it just turns the humbucker on, bypasses the tone circuit, straight to the output jack. So it's full on from the humbucker straight out. So if you're playing something quieter and then you want to play a lead, you just punch that button in and it gets you the humbucker right on. Also has the S1 circuit there, which I think on this, again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think on this one brings in the neck pickup. So this one's a 2017. Take a look at that. Ebony, look how dark that ebony fretboard is. I thought this was rosewood, but it's not, it's ebony. United States made, Corona, California. Truss rod adjustment down here at the base of the neck. And this looks brand new. I mean, this, I don't think this has a scratch on it. This is just stellar. So that's our unboxing for today. So we'll pause for a second and I'll just play a couple notes out of each one just so you can hear them. Okay, so this is the 95. This thing's great. I love the way it feels. So got it in position 4, middle and neck, clean through the Fender Blues Deluxe reissue. Sounds amazing. time pause there for a second to grab the other one. Okay, time hop. We're back. 2017 American Elite Stratocaster. Ebony fretboard. S1 switch. Position 4 between the middle and the neck. And what are we on? Let's switch back to the clean, to the Fender. Even with the switch in, even the volume knob's bypassed. So it's the humbucker straight out, everything is bypassed. So what I did earlier is I hit that by accident. I turned the volume down. Right? I did like this. Went down. But with that switch in, it doesn't matter where anything is, it's full on. That's pretty cool. Anyway, you can see these guitars are way better than I am. But, both be for sale on Reverb, Erin's Garage Sale, 2017 American Elite, comes with a nice brown case, and the other one was a 1995 American Standard in the tweed case. So thanks for watching. Click like, click subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified when we upload other videos. This is the first, I think, unboxing or anything guitar related that I think we've done on this channel, exploring the Grand Strand. Normally we go out, we do beach walk, so we walk around Broadway at the beach or other places around Myrtle Beach and show you areas around there. We've done some videos on the truck, on the Ford F-150 Lightning, but maybe we'll do a little bit more of these if people like them. I like them. Get to hang out here in the garage a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.